In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to create or enable a Wi-Fi hotspot in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, you need to navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on Settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together. In that way, you'd be able to open the settings window. Here at the settings, please navigate to the left pane and find for an option which is called Network and Internet. And once you have find it, you'll be able to see a list of options. Please navigate to the mobile hotspot, click on it, where you can share your internet connection. From here, please proceed to mobile hotspot and then click on turn on. So navigate to the switch and turn it on. Once done, it will ask you to proceed to the properties. Please proceed to network properties. Please click on edit here and then you can set a network name that you can set go or that you can go with. So let's say for example, I'll be setting N. And in order to proceed, you need to type the network password. It must be at least 8 characters. Okay. So by that, you can type the words or the numbers or just ensure that you go with letters or words. Okay. So just have to type for this one. And once you have typed the network password, click on saved here. And in a few moments, you'd be able to see or you'll be able to set your network properties. Once you're good, okay, you can now share your connection or you can now allow for Wi-Fi hotspot where another computer can connect to your internet as well. Okay. And once you're good, you can now close this window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.